How do you say I have a headache in Spanish? In today's lesson, we are going to practice vocabulary related to human body. If you are new in this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Gabriela. I am a Spanish teacher online. Here you can see all my social media accounts. Please send me a message if you have some questions about topics that you would like to learn and study in Spanish. Okay, let's start with number 1. Head. Head. Head in Spanish is la cabeza. La cabeza. O mi cabeza. My head. Number 2. Face. Face es cara. La cara. La cara. My face, mi cara. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is eyes, which is ojos. Los ojos. Los ojos. If you want to say one eye, es un ojo o el ojo. Next one. Number 4. Number 4 is nose, which is nariz. La nariz. Mi nariz. My nose. My nose, mi nariz. Number 5 is mouth, which is boca. La boca. Number 6. Cheeks. Mejillas. 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 Remember, double L sounds like j. Mejillas. Number 7 is neck, which is cuello. Mi cuello, my neck. El cuello. Number 8, ears. Orejas. Orejas. Number 9, cabello, which is hair. Hair. You can say cabello o pelo. Pelo is used also when you are talking about animals' hair. Number 10 is shoulders. Shoulders. Number 10 is shoulders, which is hombros. Los hombros. Don't get confused with hombres, which is man, which is men. Hombros, hombres. Hombros, hombres. Number 11 is tongue. Tongue, which is lengua. Lengua, la lengua. Number 12 is eyebrows. Eyebrows. Eyebrows is cejas. Las cejas. Number 14. Chin, which is barbilla. Okay, so how do you say I have a headache in Spanish? La respuesta correcta es B. B. Me duele la cabeza. Next one is number 15, which is, I don't remember. Let me check. Chest. Chest is pecho. El pecho. Next one is arms. Arms is brazos. Brazos. Los brazos. Next one is fingers. Fingers in Spanish is dedos. Los dedos. Next one is nails. Nails in Spanish is uñas. Uñas. Next one is wrist. Wrist in Spanish is muñeca. Yes, like a doll. Muñeca. We say the same word. Number 20 is forearm, which is this part. And we say antebrazo, antebrazo. Number 21 is elbow, which in Spanish is codo, el codo. We also say codo to the person that never want to spend money, like this guy. Or you can say tacaño. Hey guys, if you are looking for a Spanish course, visit SpanishWithGabriela.com. You will find Spanish courses, you can book your private Spanish conversation class with me, you can download your study planner and start to organize your time and reach your learning goals. Next one is back, my back, which is mi espalda, my back. Next one is stomach. In Spanish is super similar, estómago. Number 24 is waist. Number 25 is belly button. Belly button in Spanish is ombligo. So if you don't know, also Mexico is in a Nahuatl, means en el ombligo de la luna, which is in the belly button of the moon. That's a good name, no? Number 26 is just belly, my belly. You can say barriga or estómago, but well, that's a stomach, but you can say that. Panza, maybe we say that here in Mexico, mi panza. And that sounds kind of funny, so yeah, you can say that. Number 27 is hips, which is caderas. Hips, caderas. Number 28 is buttocks. Well, I don't know if I'm spelling right. This is the way you write it down, buttocks. Well, in Spanish is glúteos or nalgas. Number 29 is legs, which is piernas. My legs, mis piernas. Number 30 is thighs. I don't know if I'm spelling right, but just tell me in the comments. In Spanish is muslos, los muslos. Number 31, muscles. How do you say muscles in Spanish? Muy similar. Really similar. Músculos. Number 32, knees. How do you say knees? Rodillas. Las rodillas. Number 33, which is calf. Calf is pantorrilla. Number 34, ankle, which sounds like uncle, but no, it's with A. It's ankle, right?
Ankle. Uncle.
That's why I don't teach English, because my pronunciation sucks. That's why I'm a Spanish teacher. Ankle in Spanish is tobillo, mi tobillo. Number 35 is heels, like high heels. Number 36 is foot, which is pie, un pie, just one, pie, el pie. So number 37 is feet. Feet is los pies, Next one is toes, my toes, which is fingers in Spanish, because we don't have a word for that. So we say as the same as the hands, fingers, dedos. Or if you want to be more specific, you can say dedos de los pies. And the last one is cuerpo, which is body. El cuerpo, the body. Hello, my name is Gabriela. I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, hit subscribe button and all your dreams will come true.